Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to different annual events. Say these words with your English voice. World Book Day. World Book Day. This is an annual event celebrating books. Children in Need. Children in Need. This is an event where celebrities raise money to help improve the lives of disadvantaged children and young people around the UK. Chelsea Flower Show. Chelsea Flower Show. This is a garden show held for 5 days in May by the Royal Horticultural Society in the grounds of the Royal Hospital Chelsea in Chelsea, London. Grammys. Grammys. This is a set of prizes given each year to people involved in different areas of the music industry, hosted in the US. Regatta. Regatta. This is a sports event consisting of boat races. Earth Day. Earth Day. This is an annual event celebrated on April 22nd around the world to demonstrate support for environmental protection. Europe Day. Europe Day. Europe Day is a day celebrating peace and unity in Europe.